how to activate your Wise card. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you just received your Wise debit card, well, in this video I will show you exactly how to activate it in just a few taps. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Wise app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once inside the app, just navigate to the cards tab at the bottom. And here, once you're inside the card section, if you have card arrived, you'll see a prompt to activate it. So on the back of your Wise card, you will find a 6-digit code. So enter that code in that app to activate your card. And here, next set your 4-digit PIN and make sure it's something secure but easy for you to remember. And once you're done with everything, you are all set. Now your Wise card will be active and will be ready to use for ATM withdrawals, international spending, and online purchases. And don't forget that you can manage your currencies, view real-time spending, and unfreeze your card anytime right from the app. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.